This video is about the addition law of probability. For two events A and B, probability of A or B equals probability A union B equals probability of A plus probability of B minus the probability of A and B. We call this is the addition law of probability. Then let's talk about mutual exclusive or disjoint events. If A and B are mutually exclusive events, then probability A and B equals to 0. According to the addition law of probability, you will get this because the probability of A and B equals to 0. Guided practice 3, addition law and mutually exclusive. Number 1, if a probability A equals 0.4, probability A union B equals 0.9, probability A and B equals 0.1, find the probability of B. According to the addition law of probability, we got the probability of A or B equals probability of A plus probability of B minus the probability of A and B. Therefore, we plug in, we got 0.9 equals 0.4 plus probability of B minus 0.1. Therefore, probability of B equals 0.9 minus 0.4 plus 0.1. You will get 0.6. That's probability of B. For number 2, if probability of X equals 0.6, probability Y equals 0.5. Probability of X or Y equals 0.9, find the probability X and Y. Still, we got to use addition law. So we have probability of X or Y equals probability of X plus probability of Y minus probability of X and Y. We plug in number 0.9 equals 0.6 plus 0.5 minus the probability of X and Y. So you have 1.1 minus the probability of X or Y. That's 0.9. So we have probability of X and Y equals 1.1 minus 0.9. That is 0.2. For number 3, A and B are mutually exclusive events. If probability of B equals this, probability of A or B equals this, find the probability A. According to the definition, mutually exclusive event, we know probability of A and B equals to 0. Therefore, probability of A or B equals probability of A plus probability of B. Now we plug in. This will be 0.8 equals probability of A plus 0.45. So we have probability of A equals 0.8 minus 0.45. That is 0.35. Now let's go to number 4. If probability of X equals 0.4 and a probability of Y equals 0.5, probability of A or Y equals P, find the P. In these two conditions. A. X and Y are mutually exclusive events. For A part, mutually exclusive means probability of X and Y equals to 0. Therefore, we have probability of X or Y equals probability of X plus probability of Y, which means 0.4 plus 0.5, you will get 0.9. For B, X and Y are independent events. For independent events, A and B equals probability of A times probability of B. Therefore, we can get the probability of X and Y equals probability of X times the probability of Y. So we have 0.4 times 0.5. That is 0.2. Then we use the addition law of probabilities. We get probability of X or Y equals probability of X plus probability of Y minus probability of X and Y. We plug in 0.4 plus 0.5 minus 0.2 to get 0.7.